Hi guys, today's video is a review video. I hope you all are doing well and your family is doing great. I have with me the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. This is my second bottle. It comes in this cardboard outer packaging. Inside this, the bottle with the pump, a pamphlet from Wow Skin Science and a feedback form is there. This is what you get when you order the face wash. The speciality of this face wash is that it comes with a built-in brush. It is a silicone brush for deep cleansing. This is a cheaper alternative to the automated or battery-operated cleansing tools. I have wet my face and I am pressing the pump to get the foam out of it. Now I am using the brush on my face in circular motion. This smells amazing, like citrus blast. If you have an oily skin, I would say this face wash is a must buy because oily skin is prone to blackheads and whiteheads. This brush slightly removes the blackheads and whiteheads. I have an active pimple right here, so I'm not going to use this brush on this area. Do not use the brush if you have active pimple. I'm using the face wash on rest of my face. This face wash does not contain any paraben, sulfate, silicones and color. If your skin is allergic to colors, artificial colors, then I would say this is best suited for you. It is dermatologically tested and made in India. I personally love using this brush on my lips too. To get rid of dead skin cells, use this brush on your lips. It also comes with a 50% extra. To check this, I turned the back of the packaging. The net volume of the bottle is 100 ml. So 50% extra means they should be giving 50 ml extra. And that is what exactly it is. If you have active pimple all over your face, take the foam on your fingers and massage it. This face wash retails for 399 rupees for 150 ml. You can buy these products by clicking the link below or you can download the Wow app. This face wash has the goodness of active vitamin C, lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, mulberry extracts, licorice extracts and also hyaluronic acid. You guys know the benefits of all these ingredients and 98.7% of the ingredients are naturally derived. I also use this face wash with its brush to remove my makeup. It melts the foundation and it gives you that perfectly cleaned face. Try it guys, you will be amazed. I usually like those fancy battery operated or automatic cleansing tools, but it is very costly. Luckily, Wow Skin Science launched this in India and I feel satisfied. After rinsing my face, I do not feel any dryness. My skin feels soft and smooth. The job of a face wash is to cleanse it and it did it perfectly. I hope this review is short and sweet. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.